Hello guys. So today I'm going to solve this problem from Love Babbar seed because I have thought I will make a course in which I'll solve all the problems from the seed, and this is the first problem from bitwise operations. So in this question it has been asked to count the number of set bits in an integer, and this is an integer, so the range is 10 to the power 9. Now there are a lot of ways to solve this, but the one which is my favorite is using a right shift operator. For that, you need three things to know, and those three are sorry, only two things. My bad. So, only two things are required for that. First is right shift operator. So, in binary operators, there is something called right shift, in which you basically shift everything to one bit right, and the last one will get disappeared. So, if the binary representation of an integer is this, after applying the right shift, you get this. The last one gets disappeared. And that operation is done using this symbol. This is the symbol that we can use. I will show how can we use this in the code as well. And the second thing is, if you take an AND with any integer and 1, then if the last bit is set, then it will give 1, otherwise it will give 0. Because take this for example, we are taking 101 and 1. Now 1 can actually be written as 001 because everything before this will be 0, and only if the last bit is 1 then it will be 1. Otherwise, if we take AND with 100, you can see the answer is 0. Now since you know these two things, we can easily solve that problem. So now the first thing that I will do is take a variable count. Now I will run a while loop while n is greater than 0. Now what we have to do is just check if the last bit is 1 or not, and we can do that easily using one of the learnings that we had here. Right. Now since we have checked the last bit, we will just shift the n. Now this should work. We just have to return the count. Let's see if it does. Okay, yeah, I forgot actually. We have to assign it to that. Okay, now this is strange. I will try with the custom input by providing 6. Yes. Let's see if it works for that. And there are a lot of such errors in Geeks for Geeks, but sometimes we have to try to find the errors by ourselves. It seems to be correct. Let's see by submitting it. Yeah, so it has been accepted. So from this question, we should keep in mind these two things. The first is right shift, which is very useful actually in a lot of problems. And this fact that if we take AND with 1, we get 1 if the last bit is 1. And that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you to all of those who subscribed. Thank you very much. And see you later.